see, those ones that they learn by what they hear, as well as those ones that learn by what they do. Technology adoption will allow you to have an inclusive space for all the diverse type of learners, taking care of individual differences because they have something in common in this generation. They are all digital migrants, digital natives. As such, whether they are auditory, whether they are kinesthetic, or whether they are visual learners, technology will allow you to leverage on that to cater for all type of learners. And it will build what we call lifelong digital skills. Just because it is about what you can do with education. So empowering education through technology will help you build skills, capacity that will make you not just a teacher, but a 21st century teacher that can use technology to ensure teaching occur as well as learning occur. Similarly, to the learners, it will empower them to build skills to be relevant in this future that we have now. Meaning that it is not that after they are done with their learning, they will not be able to apply it in this current reality. Or after they are learning, they will be outdated. They will be up to date when you empower them through applying technology. That means you are using the current reality to teach the current reality. And in that case, you are providing education that is what? Sustainable. Education that will benefit them now as well as benefit them in the what? In the future. So when we talk about adopting technology in this 21st century, and we are looking at it from the point of view of empowerment, in teaching and learning, when you adopt technology, it's going to serve as innovation, creativity in instruction. Because your instruction will be different from the traditional mode of delivery, by which you can use many traditional methods. On the other hand, will be a transformational tool for every great teacher. Now, as a student of educational technology, that implies that you will be enhancing the service delivery of every great teacher, because it is not that it will replace teacher, it will only be one of the transformational tools that will be used by every great teacher, in which you are also one of them. So let us now explore how we can use technology not just to teach, but to empower, because empowerment is very broad. It will develop a complete sense of human being that can navigate the complexity of this current society that we have. When you talk about learning, you are trying to look at in their learning journey, because every learner has a learning journey, from the known to unknown, or sometimes from the unknown to the known, or sometimes they learn, relearn, and unlearn. Those learning journeys, education, adoption of technology in education can help understand the learner's agency in their learning journey. More importantly, as a teacher, you also be able to use technology to support, as a tool, to support your delivery and make your delivery an impactful delivery. That means in your instructional delivery, it will enhance your instructional creativity and ensure that you are delivering not just the content, you are teaching not just the subject matter, but you are teaching it in a way that is going to be unique and different, impactful, and wonderful to the 21st century learners. Why do I say 21st century learners? They are digital natives and they need to learn using digital tools so that